Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over Binance's Palu token. Ticker symbol is Palu, P-A-L-U. Now this is a big meme coin today. They have a huge market cap, really big 24-hour trading volume. We're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Palu token just got a very big central exchange listing today. This is a community takeover token, a CTO. You can tell by the Twitter in the corner of the screen there, at Palulu _CTO. It says Meme King Palulu. Palulu has also become Binance's new mascot. Has the contract address right there. It says community takeover buy, and then it has another Twitter link to there as well. 40 tweets. They just joined in March 2025, so this is a brand new Twitter with 335 tweets already. And then in their 335 followers already. And in their pinned tweet, they have the contract address, and they also have a link to the DEX screener chart, where you could find web page, Twitter, Telegram, price chart, all the things, all the statistical information. And then there's a picture also in the pinned tweet there of where this meme comes from. Now, there's been a lot of very popular Binance Smart Chain meme tokens recently. He's going like this in the picture because 4.meme is like the pump.fun for BSC. And so, 4 is a big token. But recently we've had trending number 1 right now is the Mubarak token. If you guys haven't seen that meme token, I did do a video on that one. That one just got a big central exchange listing as well. The tutorial token, TUT, that one's trending number 2 right now on DEX Screener. That's another very popular Binance Smart Chain token. There's been the broccoli token, all those dog tokens. And then now we have Binance's Palu, and this token just got a very big central exchange listing starting today on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get the Binance's Palu token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search PALU, the ticker symbol for this token, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this token here just got this big central exchange listing. It's also available on Pancakeswap. We'll talk about that in a second. But in the past 24 hours, this token is up 191%. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $13.3 million. They've had over 20,100 transactions. There's 10 different liquidity providers in Pancakeswap right now. They've had 4,237 holders right now. Their market cap and fully diluted valuation are both $7.6 million. And this pair was created 3 days, 1 hour ago on Pancakeswap. And yeah, so it doesn't have a community takeover claim on DEX Screener, just it claims it on the Twitter, and then also the Telegram. If you want to follow that, is at Palulu_CTO. 42 Telegram subscribers so far, and you can preview the channel before joining. Now there's 18 decimal places on this token and a max total supply of 1 billion tokens. So if you click web page on DEX Screener, they don't have an actual web page. It just takes you to the 4.meme page where this token was created. It's like I said, for Solana tokens, they have pump.fun where you can create meme coins, and for BSC, you have 4.meme. So they have an embedded chart on there, and you can see some statistical information, just like DEX Screener. You can also connect your wallet and get the token off there. There's an embedded swap, but basically this token is available on Pancakeswap. There is a pool of $505,000 worth of liquidity on Pancakeswap, and according to DEX Screener, 82.51% of that total liquidity is locked, and there is a Go Plus Safe Token Locker link that you could check out. Token price right now is 0.0077 USD. Now, if you wanted to get this token in a decentralized way, you can get it off Pancakeswap. First of all, you would need a wallet that could store Binance Smart Chain tokens. So you could use a Coinbase wallet, Trust wallet, or a MetaMask wallet. You could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund your wallet with BSC. Now, you could fund your wallet with BSC from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Binance Smart Chain, you'd go into the dApps, you would find Pancakeswap, and then using the contract address that you could find on this Twitter here or on their BSC scan or DEX Tools or DEX Screener, you would trade your BSC for the Palu token. Just make sure you have the right contract address. It says 0% buy and sell taxes, so you don't have to worry about slippage. You will have to pay a small amount of gas fees, though, when buying tokens off Pancakeswap. They have a Go Plus security audit and a quick intel security audit on DEX Screener. And it says no issues on either one, so that's good to see that. Now, there's also another couple big tokens being listed today and tomorrow on Mexc, so make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Stay tuned for more videos today. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.